woke up with really bad stomach pains. I think it maybe has to do with a really spicy curry that I had yesterday. So I didn't dive today, but I stayed in bed and I feel really a lot better today. So tomorrow I'm definitely gonna dive again. But Philip did dive.
So I did the rescue course today, dive 3 and 4. Meaning today we had the so-called hell dive. That basically means that there were one instructor, one dive master trainee, so like experienced divers, and they were diving in front of me and I had to be behind them. And suddenly, for example, one didn't have like the breathing thing in their mouth.
So everything went wrong.
Yeah, but a snorkel. Yeah, and you can't breathe with a snorkel underwater. So he was drowning. And I had to notice that and like swim to him, put the snorkel out of his mouth and put the regulator in, or suddenly they had a fight and we had to break up the fight. So it's everything like in scenario, it's not actually happening. But I had to be really sharp and solve all the problems. And I also had to help a vomiting diver and
on the boat.
On the boat, a diver in distress on the surface. And I had to get in my gear within 1 minute, which is quite tricky. And I had to build up my whole dive equipment blindfolded, which I did manage, and not in that long time. I think like in 4 or 5 minutes.
Pretty fun, right?
Yeah, that was really, really fun. And I bought a dive computer. I don't know if I already showed that, but it's my own dive computer. And the thing is, every dive master should have a dive computer, his own, because it's a lot safer. Because if you don't know anything about diving, I can't explain it now, but basically there's a certain time you're allowed to dive without a risk of becoming sick. And if you are longer and deeper than allowed, you have a chance of becoming sick. That never happens because you shouldn't go that deep and that long, but a dive computer, that's the thing that calculates it for you.
So it really helps, and you can see how long you still can stay underwater.
Yes, and how long you should stay above water. So if you dive every day, you should have your own. So yeah, tomorrow a fun dive to the Satakut.
To the
The wreck, that's it. And today I repaired my first iPhone here on Koh Tao, because I have 10 iPhone screens with me, and I repaired the first one, so that was really nice.
Yeah.
And that's it.